This is how you power it on, is by clicking this button. And then right here is how you adjust the speed. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. So we're powered on. Notice our little green light here for cleaning. We want to turn up the turbo. Let's check out my new cordless vacuum. So I love vacuums because I have an Airbnb, I have kids, and it is so nice to be portable and wireless. It has a user manual on how to care for it and how to get it up and going. Boxing all the different accessories. Wow, there's a lot of different accessories. So this is an extender pole, and then here you can get the stairs nicely. It does have this fabric here to kind of lightly scrub. So say you're doing your couch, here's a filter, another filter. Here's the actual vacuum. This comes with an assortment, a huge assortment of accessories. So I have them all here on the table. These are the extender poles. So they just hook right up, they snap lock, and they hook right up to the vacuum to give you an extra reach. And then here are angled, precise extenders so that you can get in corners nicely. Here is the battery. So it is rechargeable, portable, cordless, and this is how you plug it in. So easy. So you literally plug this into the wall, and then you plug this part into the battery pack, and then it charges. When it's fully charged, then you can easily attach it to your vacuum. Just slides right in nicely. And it turns right on. This has a nice stretchy extender, so if you want to get behind your car seats, behind your sofa, this is a nice attachment to have. This one will get your floors. It has an angle, so it makes it really nice. You can vacuum your floors, get under the table, under your end tables, under your couch, under your chairs nicely. You can do wood floors, tile floors, carpets. Snaps right in nicely. And now let's go try it out. I do want to talk about the filter real quick before we try it out. You just pop this open to take out all, to clean it, to take it all out. The way that you adjust the filter is that you twist this pops off, and then you can remove and replace the filters. Not sure if you can see the mess, but my floor, we did planting and gardening, so there's like dirt on the floor. So it's actually vacuuming up the dirt soil pretty well.